Hello everyone, my name is Frankie Pinkney and today I'm going to show you how to access and use a GoNoodle account. GoNoodle is a website used to incorporate movement activities within the classroom. Several teachers I know like to use it for rainy day recess and for brain breaks. The first thing we're going to do is log in. Once you have successfully logged into your GoNoodle account, you will come to this Discover page. On this page, it just gives you a brief overview of some popular videos that have been uploaded to the GoNoodle website. Also, a few holiday videos or seasonal type things. To choose a particular subject, you will go to Categories. When choosing a video for my class, I like to choose something close to the subject we are currently teaching. So, for example, if we want to take a break after math, I like to choose a math video just to kind of bring things back into a review or a closure for the lesson. Once you have chosen the category you want, you will see all the videos related to that category come up on your screen. If you look at this page, you will see that each video has a title and a time listed on it. This would be helpful if you want to stick to your schedule or if you need to just do something really quick as a transition. This will give you the opportunity to choose the video accordingly as well as make sure that you are not going over on your time. Let's choose one to just see how these GoNoodle videos look. I paused right here because I like the feature on the video. It tells you what you can expect to see and gain from the video. There's math content, gross motor skills, and the students get a workout.
All count to 100. Huh! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yo, I got this.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
As you can see, there are different movements as the character is counting along in the video. Your students will be able to count and practice those counting skills as well as get some movement in. If your students really like this video, you will be able to favorite the video by clicking the heart on the right hand side of the screen. This will make it easier to find and access this video the next time you log into your GoNoodle account. Now that you've had the opportunity to see how a typical GoNoodle video looks, let's go ahead and explore some of the other features of the website. On the channels page, you'll be able to search for videos based on the creator. Each creator has their own channel where all of their videos are uploaded. A popular channel is the Kids Bop channel. The Kids Bop channel uses popular songs and incorporates dance moves. Like we saw when we were going through the categories page, each video has a title and a time limit on it. Let's go back and explore some of the other channels. When your mouse hovers over a channel, you'll notice that it tells you how many videos and activities you will find on that channel. It also tells you the main focus of the channel before you actually go in. This will give you the opportunity to find which channel will best suit the needs for your brain break or activity. If you want to do rainy day recess, they have an indoor recess mega movement mixes channel. These videos are longer than the typical videos that you will find on GoNoodle. Most videos are around 3 minutes, but these videos are meant to take up an indoor recess time period. Choosing a video from the indoor recess channel will allow your students to get in an adequate amount of movement during the allowed time. GoNoodle.com offers a variety of movement activities for your students. I hope that you will be able to use it and that this brief introduction will allow you to be able to get started with a GoNoodle in your class. Thanks for watching.